When writing R scripts, it's very useful to insert comments into the script itself, and the comments are pieces of text that are not to be interpreted by R, but they are only there for you or anyone who happens to look at the script. Typically, the comments inform the reader about what the script is doing at a particular point. In some cases that might be easy to see just by looking at the script, but as the script gets more complicated, it gets very hard to see what it's actually doing, and then you are most grateful to yourself if you have inserted comments telling yourself what the script is about. You add these comments by using the number sign or hash. I'll just give a short simple example here. We have 2 plus 3, and then the sign here, the number sign, and then an instruction to myself that this is actually what we're doing here is addition of the numbers 2 and 3. And then we have 2 times 3, and I tell myself that I'm not trying to multiply 2 by 3. So if I run this piece of code, you can see what turns up in the console. First of all, the entire piece of code, including the comment, but the result is only 5. And then we have this piece of code, and we get the result 6. So it's obvious that R has not tried to perform this piece of the code, addition of. You don't get an extra 5 because of these numbers, or some sort of error because addition is not a known command. But R simply doesn't care what you write after the number sign. It disregards anything afterwards until you have a line feed, and then as a new line starts, R starts to interpret the code again, in this case 2 times 3. And here is an example of a more complex script where it might be more obvious that you actually need these comments. And we have paragraphs of script here, and I use the comment here to inform myself that this particular part of the script is about error corrections. And then after each row, I also make a comment telling myself what I'm about to do here. Assign CD 6 week where missing. Here we have the remove not detected samples, and so forth. Otherwise I would have to try each time to decipher the code and try to understand what R is doing right here. And now I don't have to because I've told myself.